Hey guys, good morning. I've been getting questions, and I used to get this question all the time about meal plans. People want meal plans, especially women. When I was doing women, they think that's the secret, meal plans, meal plans. Let me tell you the easiest way to get a great meal plan. Go use AI, ChatGPT or Google's AI, whatever the name of it is now. I don't really know what the name of theirs is. I've used it before, but I like ChatGPT. You're going to get an unbelievable meal plan in a month. Wow, this thing is in a minute. All you got to do is go in and tell ChatGPT, hey, I'd like a meal plan for 7 days. And tell them I eat 2 meals a day and 2 snacks, 3 meals and a snack, whatever. Tell them how you want it. Tell them how you eat. I prefer more vegetables, or I prefer to eat mostly fish, a lot of fish. And in the end, you can say, if you have any questions, please ask me. And it's probably going to spit out some questions, a couple questions, and ask you to get more into the way you eat. And you can tell it to give me the micros. It'll give you how many calories in each meal. It'll break it down to the carbs, the protein, the fats, everything, for every little thing they put on there. I mean, it's unbelievable. And you'll have a meal plan in a minute or less, probably like 30 seconds. And then you look over it and you can say, I really don't like this. Can you go in and give me some things to swap for this, to swap out or redo it? You can tell it to redo it however you want to do it. It's unbelievable. You can get a meal plan that a coach is going to charge you hundreds of dollars for, and they're probably getting it the exact same way, because it's hard when people ask me for a meal plan. If I'm not coaching you, I don't know the way you eat. I don't know what you're trying to do. I don't know your height. I don't know your weight. I don't know anything about you. So I can't just make up a meal plan, and plus, I have some meal plans stored away somewhere on my computer, but just making up a meal plan really doesn't do you any good, because you got to customize. You got to customize it to your way of eating. And if you want to lose weight, you want to keep muscle, you want to build muscle, you want to lose weight, and you're trying to build muscle, just tell ChatGPT what you want it to do and how many meals you want, and tell them give you a 7-day plan, and tell them you could actually say, hey, give me 2 or 3 things I can swap out. So a couple additional meals that I can swap out. Tell them if you like breakfast, if you don't eat much breakfast or whatever. Just give it detail, type it in, and it won't take you a couple minutes to type in, and in less than a minute, you'll have a complete meal plan with calories and everything. And if you know how many calories you need to be eating today, and you're trying to cut weight, you're trying to lose weight, hey, it's going to spit it out for you. So that's all you got to do, guys, to get a meal plan. Easy, cheap, and it'll be very detailed. If you like the video, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Mike Norris, have a great day.